Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Mibro Lite with the Mibro Fit app on an Android phone. Also in the next video we will show how to connect with an iOS device. So, let's begin here immediately. We have the Mibro Lite, and let's see how to connect it. You can download the app by searching for it in the Play Store if you know it. But if you don't, you need to find the QR code for the app which it uses. So, what we're going to do now is take our phone and scan it. After we have scanned it, will show us a link that sends us to the Google Play Store. And here we have the Mibro Fit app which we can download and connect it to our watch. So, we are going to download it really fast right now, and after we have done so, we're going to go inside and see how to connect our watch. So now that the app is done, let's open it up and see what's inside. First up, it's going to ask to accept the service agreement and privacy policy. So we're going to agree, and after that it will show us the tutorial, which we are going to swipe right through and get in the app. Then there is login info, where if you don't have an account already, you can create one, or log in with Google. Next it will ask to run the app in background so it can work better, so we're going to press set, and now we're in. First thing we need to do is go into permissions and start to turn on permissions for call logs, camera so we can use our camera, contacts, so we can access them, files and media to allow access to our media, location so it can track our activities, phone so we can receive and make calls, and SMS for messaging features. And after we've accepted the background permissions and applied the storage and location permissions, we can go into the app and see what kind of options it has inside. So now we are going to go in our profile on the bottom right so you can see your personal info if you want to change it. Now we're going to go to equipment where we can connect our watch. You can do it by clicking add device, or by scanning the QR code on our watch which will automatically start to pair. After we've paired successfully, we can carry it out. Here it shows that the app has detected a new version update for our watch, so we're going to update it really fast, because it's really important that our watch stays up to date and has the latest firmware version. It will take a little bit of time, but after it updates our watch is ready, and we can go into the app to see the options inside. Let's go to Profile and click on the watch, where it will show us some options like unit settings, where you can choose on which weight, length and temperature settings, also the time format and upgrade. The first option we can see is Dial Market, where we can change the profile or face of our watch, which lets us choose from a different variety of watch faces. And you can choose whichever you like best, and if you want one you need to download it. Let's try one and see for ourselves, so let's download this one, and as you can see it takes a little bit of time, and after it has downloaded it will change our watch face immediately. Next up we've got Custom Watch Face, where we can custom or watch face by background, style and position. Next, we got Notification, which will ask for permission to enable, and you also need to turn it on in your settings, so it can send you notifications on your watch. It will also ask to access your contacts, to make and manage phone calls and access your phone log. After that you can choose which apps from your phone can send you notifications, and which can't, so you can choose based on what apps you use, and want notifications from, or if you want you can turn them off altogether. Next, we have the weather push option, which serves for weather to be updated every 60 minutes, and where you can change the temperature unit. After that, we've got health reminders settings, where you have sedentary reminder, which allows you to make reminders to stand up and move around every once in a while. Also drinking reminder, which allows you to set reminders to drink water, distant view reminder, sports reminder, medical reminder, reading reminder and travel reminder. You can choose the time of the reminders and the intervals to repeat them however you want. Next, we've got alarm clock, where you can add any alarms that you want. You can label them however you want and make them repeat if you need them on weekdays, weekends, or every day. Next, we have the Find a Watch option, which searches for our device, and when it finds it, it will send a signal that makes our device vibrate and turn on. Next up, we have the camera option, which we can pair with our watch to allow the watch to take pictures and record videos from your phone by shaking your watch, and it will take them automatically. After that, we've got other settings where we can find options like raise your wrist and 12-hour clock. And in the bottom, we've got options like background protection to choose a protection system, firmware upgrade to install the latest update on our device, which we did earlier, and also the reset option, and the delete current device option. On our bottom right, we have our profile, where we've got personal information settings, where you can choose to change your information like name, gender, age, height, weight, and sport goals that you want to achieve. Next, you've got the health report, which shows you a detailed report on your activity and health monitoring measurements. You can see these measurements in whichever time format, like daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly statistics. Next, you have My Data, which shows your current data. And last, on your bottom left, we have the Home button, where we can see options like heart rate, where you can see your heart rate statistics and measurements, also your average, your highest, your lowest heart rate, and your ideal heart rates. You also have statistics of your SpO2, your sleep, sports record, and options like fatigue records and effective activity to watch your effectivity status. So, this is pretty much it on the Mibro Fit app, how to connect and what to expect inside. It's a great and really easy app to use, and it works really well. This was all for today's video. In the next one, we will show you how to connect your watch with iOS. I really hope you enjoyed and found this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.